What's up, people? What up? What up? What up? What up? Thanks for tapping in this morning. We'll get right into it. We'll get right into it. All right, let me get everything pulled up. Let's pulled up Market Watch. We got pretty much no news today. Fantastic. It's freaking free range cooking. Let's go. How are we feeling this morning? What's up, Digital Joe? Give me Jesus. Oh, good afternoon, Digital Joe. All right. Let's see what we got. Yesterday was relatively trendy. Oh, we're open. Ayo, we're open. All right. Relatively trendy in indexes yesterday. TLM SPY already rotated. So let's see if anything else can play something that we like. Relatively trendy. Wow, big got down AMD. Oh, earnings today. Wow. IWM has some promise for sure. Let's actually look at that on a lower time frame here. Then we didn't quite pop out. I'd like to see it come out a little bit more, but really good setup there. So I want to see, let's put an alert here. I want to see a nice pop out and reversal there. Get a strong low in. Google, really nice gap up. Let's freaking go. That's nice for my long term. What about 15 shares of Google there? It's freaking awesome. Tesla doesn't like TLM rules. But I could look at this maybe. MSTR. I do not mess with earnings. If they report tomorrow, don't even want to look at it. I don't look at them. Tesla's gonna rotate. But I will look at it for you. Circle up. Microsoft would be a good one too if we get some bearish. Well, no, it's pretty trendy. Pretty much everything's trendy. Yeah, so nothing really going to look tradable. IWM is kind of the only one, but I think it's going to rotate before we get. Well, hey, done for the day. That was easy. Let me look at what I'm up in Google now. Should be up at least 15%. Give me Jesus. Give me Jesus. Yeah, up 12%. Nice. %. Boom. Keep pushing, Google. Keep pushing. I guess you could technically trade this. Maybe. Like to see it pop out, kind of like this. So we close a gap. Like to see it pop out again, come up, start making a high, and then rotate higher. Yeah, we could. This is a maybe. I think IWM's done. Yeah, I'm just gonna take IWM. I wonder if we get the same thing on the Qs. I mean, it's just a lot trendier. I don't really want to touch Q. Anything for AMD. Amazon gapping up. Look at like Shopify, Boeing. Dang, what the heck? That's a wide range. Roku. Yeah, it stinks. Probably going to be no trade. The only way I'll take a trade is if we do this. So let's say we formed a lower high, we form a lower low, and then we come back inside. That's the only way I'm taking a trade. This looks like the only option, honestly. Change that back to white. That legit looks like the only option. Let's see if there's some demand down in here. Not really. Got demand all the way down there. Could also look at playing that. Could also look at playing that instead of TLM. Just price coming into demand here. Oh, crap. Price coming into demand. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Start to see a good reaction. Rotate higher. Push higher. It would kind of turn into TLM, but it's not TLM. It's more supply and demand. So could look at that. Again, I don't know if we'll get that, but that's kind of what I'll be looking for. Biggest thing, though, I need to see price pop out. Even if it just like grabs liquidity here. Right? Even if we just do this. Kind of liquidity grab, boom. All right, then push higher. That'd be okay too. So I want to see price come down in here. Give me that confirmation that we want to go higher. Okay, would you say MSTR? I mean, it's been ripping the past several weeks. Jeez. Let's see what they expect. Estimate. So this could be, that's a kind of a pre-earnings run up. So that could be priced in. So you could see a dump. Just kind of not really a dump, but just more of a correction, right? Because we had the pre-earnings run up. Again, I don't play earnings 100% gambling, but yeah, it could. You could just see a nice little drop, then come back up, something like that. See what happens there. Oh. Anything else you guys are looking at? Uber CL. Let's look at Uber. Oh, dude. It was kind of trendy yesterday, though. Look at that. It would be really nice for TLM, though. It could be nice. Let's look at this. What would this look like? Say we entered here. Let me look at what the options are like. Okay. I don't know if that's what you're looking for, but let me look at what the options are like for Uber. Spreads are nice. Okay. Yeah. Look to get the 79 calls. So if we can pull back right into here, I like that, honestly. I like that. So that's 44 cents. So look at that setup on Uber here. I think that's a good setup. 79. So it'd be a 44-cent stop. So 936. Let's just go 78.90. So about 25 bucks a contract there. Spreads are a tad wide, so just be careful. But you're looking at about 5 contracts, like 8. See if we can get a tad bit of a pullback. Dude, nice. Kind of missed it, but I may have missed it. It bounced right off. It was a little higher than the 50, but see what happens with this next candle. I'm gonna have to like manually enter probably. I'd like it to come down just a tad. We'll see. I hate these freaking lower volume stocks though. Like they just don't move. Yeah, I don't know. I'd like to get filled around 295 on the option. Ask right now is 315. So I might just put a limit in for that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, let's see if we can get filled. Have it set at 295. Yeah, hopefully that should get filled. Ask right now is at 3. Bids at 295. I should get filled. Maybe I'll just change that up. I mean, it's 40 bucks. Let me just change it to right at the mid right now. I'm gonna change it to 303 right now. Hopefully get filled. Right at 3. We'll see. Dang, I don't know. Shouldn't have been so picky, I guess. All right, should get filled. The mid's at 305. Yeah, I should be getting filled. Come on. Why is it not getting filled? All right. Okay, got filled on half. There we go. All right, I'm filled. All right, sick. So fill it right there. 1.18. See what happens. Alert. And an alert. All right, let's get it. The other one was CL. Let's look at SPY. What's SPY doing now? So yeah, SPY, I like to see some buyer step in. Some buyer step in here. Let's go, baby. Push it. And then CL, what we're going to look at here. Anything when we look at here? VLIN. Like, I assume you're thinking day trade, but I'll wait till you answer. Or for 4 minutes. I'll wait till you answer. We'll just keep watching Uber. Really good potential. I like it a lot. Oh, I was looking long. There you are. Like a scalp, though. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so we got demand bounce down here. We spent a lot of time here, though. A lot of time. Like, so why? So you're going to figure out why. But then let's just look at market structure. Boom, 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 boom. We seem to have broken the downtrend. But none of these are going to be strong highs, though. But we seem to have broken the downtrend. We kind of look at you could potentially call this a stop hunt, though, right? Like, look at that. Kind of barely closed above and immediately reversed. So I'd be careful with longs, unless if you have your stop down here, but those 6,670. So it'd look more like this. So boom, okay, boom. And turn around here, stop below that low, maybe target this high up here. You have a nice 1.38 R trade. Maybe that would work. Let me erase this. That could possibly work. I don't know if that would take one day though, but that could be something for sure. Kind of target that liquidity that hasn't been hit. Get your stop in a strong low. Yeah, I think that could be good for sure. All right, Uber's looking good. SPY's coming back up. So for SPY, see how there's not really a pivot high until up here. So I wish it would have gone boom, even just like kind of chop here, then move down, right? But or even just form some type of high, but unfortunately it did not. So like more than likely it's either just going to go straight up with no pullbacks, or it's going to go like this. It's going to look like it's going to want to go up and then go back down. Welcome, Patterson Arts. See what we can do here on Uber. I think Uber's the move. Boom. Let's go, Uber. I love relaxed trading. Man, I can't remember the days and I was like freaking sweating here. Not in here, my old office. Boom, push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. So, how are you feeling? Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back. Boom, boom. To the way we used to be. We broke that pivot high. It's a really good sign. SPY seems to be ripping now. So it stinks. It never really takes out a high, but we did get the bounce we wanted, right? But you could potentially look for a strong low to form and then another high and take the break there with your new stop. But unfortunately, I don't think SPY is going to be the move. Unfortunately, just didn't work out the way we needed it to. But again, like I kind of played out, like exactly like I said, it just didn't give me the right price action. Ugh. Part of the way we trade as well is just like entering at top of the demand, stop at the bottom, target the most recent high as well. Probably would have worked in this scenario. I just don't really like trading that way because you end up having a really wide stop get stop hunting quite often. I like looking for the lower time frame price action to play out, but market be ripping for show. Okay. Let's see what I want to buy today. Damn, with 30% on Fidelity National Information. FIS, that's crazy. I bought that back in May. Nasty. Average down a little bit. See a nice pump here. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Uh-oh. The next time we make a new high, so we hit 79.70, I'll go ahead and move my stop break even. So it's essentially a risk-free trade. I don't want to move it yet, but I will if we make another new high for sure. Theta might be kicking in a tad. Maybe. Thanks, Guido. Doing good. Yeah, she's doing fine. We had to board her for like 2.5 weeks when we were traveling. So they feed her once a day there. And it was different food. So they were like, it's probably that change, going back to our normal food and our normal routine. It's like a change in routine. Dogs are obviously very anxious too, but it was weird that she threw up so often. She also had a fever when we went to the vet, and he gave her like an antibiotic. So the vet just thinks it was something like irritation, maybe in her stomach. Maybe she ate something bad, like something in like our backyard when we got home. Like, it could have been an apple that my daughter threw on the ground and that was rotten, and she ate it and it upset her stomach, something like that. But yeah, she's good now. She's back to her normal annoying self. It was actually it's like, I don't mean this in a mean way, but like when she was a little bit under the weather, she was a really good dog. She didn't jump on you. She didn't try to play and wrestle. She was just chilling. But you could tell she would not feel good. But yeah, she's back to her normal energetic self that never stops. So Yeah. See, Phil. Wait, what? Boom, baby. Let's roll. Almost there. Almost there. We will have a profitable day, Phil. We will. Thank you. My stop is break even. Oh, we rolling. Go ahead and take profit there. Well, not yet. Nice, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take profit at 335 option there. Well, freaking maybe. Bro, what the heck? I hate when it does this. Yeah, at 335. Bro, why is it not giving me the others? Oh, and then OCO. There. Boom. 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 That's a dub. And I'm back. Congrats to all who caught. Who caught that with me? Who caught that with me? Be $250 on Uber. Thank you and good night. Boom. Let's freaking go. We back, baby. Refuse to lose. Thank you, Macaroni, for that call out there. But freaking refuse to lose. I love it. Attaboy, Parker. Let's go. Let's go. That's a banger. Again, I don't want you, Patterson Arts, I don't want you to follow blindly, but might not be a bad idea sometimes. No, really, don't follow blindly. Like, bro, I said in a minute. I trade on Thinkorswim. And this is right here. This is TradingView is what I'm charting on. So like I have two screens. So I have like you guys in the middle. I have three. Well, my laptop. Then I have charts on the right side here, and then I have, which is what you're looking at. Then I have my broker open on the left side. Yeah, we banged it, baby. Spy's banging too. Dang it! What that trader worked out. Yeah, I find it hard. Whenever I'm kind of traveling, like I only have one screen, I typically use my broker off my phone and have my chart open. It's just a little easier. But yeah, I use Thinkorswim. Yeah. Cool. Hey, this is what I need from you guys. Okay. That's what I need from you guys. I need you to like this video down below. Okay. I'm only sitting at 2 likes and it's looking kind of bad. Okay. I need you guys to go like this video for me because we just caught a freaking bag on Uber. Please and thank you. And on TOS, are you inputting numbers? You use the exact level? No, I typically, if it's the spreads are tight enough, I typically will enter positions using a mark using OCOs. So it'll be enter this call option when the price of the underlying is X. That's typically how I set it up. And I just look at the TradingView chart on my right here to kind of break that up, to kind of find out what price I need to put my entry at. Same for stop and target. I hardly ever trade off like the option price, except like today I kind of did, just because the spreads were about 15 and I wanted to get it. I didn't want to get, if I have 8 contracts, a $15 difference in an entry is a lot, right? It's a lot of money. So I want to be a little bit more perfect, but yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good question. Cool. Thanks for the likes. Thank you for tuning in again. Again, if you want to watch this recording back, just to kind of get an idea from what I looked at, why I took this trade, it'll be posted on my YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to that as well. Again, thank you for hopping on. Always a pleasure. Before I hop off here, if you haven't already and you're really want to take the next step in your trading and really level up and honestly trade the way that I just did this morning, again, stress-free, literally 38 minutes of trading, in and out, done for the day, making $250, making more than probably a lot of you will make in your 9 to 5. Just today, go ahead and scroll down on this video, and you should see an access to the free training. Go ahead and click that and watch that video. That's gonna help you understand a little bit more. And then after you watch that video, you can go ahead and book a call with one of our coaches. Okay, and they'll kind of guide you through the process of what it takes to get on the level that I'm at from this morning. Okay. Other than that, peace. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Always love it. And I will see you next week. Peace.